All right, what we're doing here is we're getting GPT to write out some headlines and subheadlines for our organic post. And I'm going to show you how to do it in bulk form to save you some time. And we're going to use Canva and GPT. So what I did was I had it write out 15 headlines and subheadlines in a table separating the headlines from the subheadlines, right? All right, so now that we got that done, you could see how it written it out. So what I'm going to do is I've already created a template that I liked. As you can see right here, I've already created a template where it's got the image, it's got the headline, subheadline pretty much already set up. So now that I got that, let's go over here and we're going to enter from the top very corner where headlines, subheadlines, the headlines and subheadlines into Canva, right? All right, let's go over here to the first one. We're going to go to bulk, go to apps, and then you can do bulk create, right? And you just type it in, boom. And hit that enter. There it is, right there. So look, you can upload CSV, which is Google Sheets, and it's pretty cool because you can have headlines, subheadlines there, and then literally have like 90 days worth with some images or links to put videos. Will that be another tutorial later? But let's do it this way. Enter it manually now. We're going to go ahead and just clear the table. And now what we copied and pasted over here from this one, remember we just copied this, bam, from the headlines, subheadlines. All right, now we're going to come over here. We're just going to Control V, boom. There it is right there, right? Now, to add the image, if you already have an image, there's a couple ways you could do this. You can let me just show you over here. If you wanted to find images on Canva, you could do this, and then you can right click, and then you can create a folder, right? So like, let's just say let's create a folder. Well, come back here. View a roof. Give me a second. Let me set it up. So it is roof. Add to folder. I'll create new folder right here. Oh, go back. Why won't it let me create it? Give me a second. Alright, now we figured it out. So all we gotta do is come over here. I'm gonna go to add folder. I'm gonna go to all. And I can go to your projects. I can create. And then we're gonna go ahead and name it. Name the folder. And then this is going to be template 4. Because look how we're going to do this. Add folder. So if you didn't have any pictures, all you'll have to do is come over here, add folder, find your folder, and then add to folder. And so what we're doing is you can get a whole bunch of them, add them to the folder, because when we add the images in bulk, these images are going to be the ones that are popping up. Oh, get this. All right, now that we add a couple, I'm just going to go through it just to give you a show how it works. All right, let me pause this for a second. All right, now we're back, and so as you can see here, we got the images, and we're going to add the image, and I can come to the folder. See, these are already images that I've already got in Canva, so I can go ahead and just pick that one. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, and as you can see, so on. I'm going to go through all of them. And I don't want to make y'all wait, so let me go ahead and just pause this for a second, and then we'll come back. Now we're back. As you can see, everything's loaded up. We're going to hit the done. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to have to come in here and put some code into here. So the way to do that is just click the headline. We've already fitted it so that if each headline, sub-headline is going to fit perfectly in these boxes, and I'm going to connect the data, and this is going to be the headline. I'm going to come over here. We're going to connect the data. It's going to be the sub-headline. And then I'm going to come over here, and we are going to go ahead and take this off, and now it should work. Connect the data, add the image. You'll know everything's good if you see all the checks, and then you just hit continue. If you wanted to take some off, add them on, select them all, you can pick, and then you just generate. Bam. See what happens. There it is. Get the roof of your dreams. Expert roofing solution. Look at the pictures. It's very quick. Boom. Now you can have it do much different, go ahead and edit it and stuff if you want it. But as you can see, look how you can get 15 posts so quickly. All right, guys. If you have any questions, message anytime. Have a good one.